guys, so thank you for coming back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the fruits and vegetables that are actually available here in Canada, because there's a lot of friends of mine that they're asking me if what are the foods, what are the foods like in Canada. Would we still be able to eat the food we normally eat in the Philippines, like those vegetables? So, well, I'll just be showing you certain examples of vegetables that we have in our refrigerator at the moment. Yes, at the moment, so that you will know and you will see proof that we actually have those vegetables here in Canada. So let's start. Okay, so I took out certain items from our refrigerator to show you that we actually have the vegetables that we normally eat in the Philippines. So let's start off with this one. Tan, tan, tan. Okay, so nandito yung kalabasa. So we call this kalabasa in the Philippines, but we actually have this in Canada, particularly here in Montreal. So we bought this from Marché Ductan. It's the nearest place to is the nearest store, Asian store from our place. It's like we're just gonna walk like 200 meters. Oh, meters? Is it meters? Yeah, 200 meters or 300, something like that, from our place. Diba, ang lapit lang. But yeah, so we have our kalabasa here. So we also have this vegetable here. Ta-da! Okay, so ito yung cabbage natin sa Pinas. Here we can buy this in whole or half or one-fourth. So the prices will vary according to the size of what you're going to buy. So basically, itong kalabasa, we bought this for $2.12. It was cut in half already. So ito naman, nawala na yung price. But then, I believe for half of the whole, it normally would cost you like more than $1 or nearly $2 or $2, something like that. So what we have here is, ta-da! Well, in our place in the Philippines, we call this apara or kandalang. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it's called in your place, but yeah, we use this for when we make soup. Ito yung nagpapalapot. It makes it a little sticky, so it won't be that watery. Kasi mas masarap kasi yung ginataan. Say for example, if we eat it with this one, the apara, as we call it in our place. So I actually have another one to show you. Just one more. Ta-da! So we have this here, but have a look, guys. Tan, tan, tan. Mga ilang pieces kaya to, and it's long. So ito yung sitaw ba to? This is what's called sitaw or string beans. And sa amin, ano nga yung tawag dito sa amin? Oh, I forgot. Oh well, yeah, so ang cost niya dito when we bought this is actually $9 per kilo. So per kilo siya. So this one, it's 0.272 kilograms. So it cost us $245 for this. Okay? So yeah, ito lang yata yung mga vegetables na meron ako sa refrigerator. But then you should know na meron din tayo ditong kangkong. We also have here malunggay. We also have ano pa ba yung iba nating gulay sa Pinas? Well, pretty much everything's here. Not really like everything, but yung ordinary or normal na kinakain nating gulay, we actually have this here. Okay, here in Montreal. So, oh, did I show you the cabbage already? If I didn't, we also have the cabbage. And so, we also have the fruits that we have in the Philippines. We have avocado. This avocado doesn't look good. I know. It's just because this is still part of the 13 fruits that we have for New Year. And then until now, hindi pa namin siya nakakain. So hopefully, kakainin ko yan bukas. And I have another one. Ta-da! It's our apple mango there in the Philippines. Apple mango? I'm not sure. But ito yung tinatawag naming apple mango sa lugar namin probably because ito yung may mga red or something on top na parang siyang apple ng kulay. But we call this apple mango in our place. Particularly in Manhuyod. Kaway-kaway. So we have this Chicos. Wala naman siyang difference from the Chicos that we have in the Philippines. I don't really eat Chicos, so kaya we actually still have this. It's still part of the 13 fruits that we had for New Year. So we have this one. We also have pineapple. We also have the pineapple. We have 2 pineapples right now. Let me show you the other one. It has a different color. Medyo malapit na siyang malanta. Ayun, kasi it's still part of the 13 fruits that we had for New Year. And hindi namin siya nakain kasi marami din kaming food for New Year. So we're still, but naubos namin lahat ng food. So right now, probably it's time to go to the fruits. But yes, this is what we had for New Year, this pineapple. And then the other pineapple that we have today is actually a gift. A gift, hindi naman gift. Kasi when Scott went to the store and he bought like parang umabot yata ng 70 or 50 yung binili niya, more than 50. So he was given by the store this pineapple. So that's it. Did I show everything that we have? Okay. Well, we also have this fruit here. It's called persimmon. And I'm not sure if nandyan ba sa Pinas ito, but it's called persimmon. So I've tried this once and I did not really like the taste kasi in the first place when I was still in the Philippines, may katulad siyang taste dyan sa Pinas. In our place we call that fruit tisa. I really don't like that fruit. I'm sorry, but there are certain people, marami namang tao na gustong kainin yung tisa. My mother, for example, she likes tisa. Hi, Ma. But yeah, this one, it tastes the closest taste that I'd be able to compare to is the tisa. But here, they call this fruit persimmon. So probably we have this in the Philippines. I'm just not so exposed. But if we have it there, so yeah. So did I show up everything? Yeah. Well, we also have our apples and oranges in the refrigerator. I don't really have to show it to you because it's exactly the same. But there are really a lot of different types of apples here because as you know, guys, parang dito yata yung maraming plantations of apples. We even had our apple picking last summer, and then it was really fun. Ikaw yung kumukuha ng apple fruit from the apple tree. Well, of course, it's apple picking. Yeah, so it was a very fun experience. Well, we had that when for already like 3 years here in Canada, but it was still a very fun experience. So as you know, may mga fruits tayo na nandito na wala din sa Pinas, but we are generally speaking, yung mga fruits natin sa Pinas, they also have the same fruits here. though it may vary in taste because sa Pinas we are a tropical country. It parang nakaka-contribute yata siya as to the taste of the fruits there. It's really sweet and those stuff. But here it's okay naman. So basically, nandito lang din lahat yung kinakain natin sa Pinas. Not really lahat, but most of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So anytime na makapag-decide kayo to come to Canada, please don't be worried about the fruits and vegetables that you really love eating in the Philippines because most of them are really here. So thank you so much for watching. Please watch out for my next video. Thank you.